Bienvenue sur Channel Jeff Denis 56.
Hello guys, how are you doing? My name is Jeff Dennis, your Creole teacher. Today's video, I'm going to teach you 10 common verbs in Haitian Creole. So don't forget guys to subscribe with my channel and leave a comment. So jodi a nou pral montre ou ki jan ou capable prononcer 10 verbes dans langue haïtienne. S'il vous plaît, si vous pas abonné à la chaîne là, abonnez à la chaîne là. Let's get started. To go. To go. It means in Haitian Creole, aller. To go. Aller. To speak. To speak. To speak, parler. To drive. To drive. To drive. Conduire. To fall. To fall. Tomber. To fall. Tomber. To do, faire. To do, faire. To make, faire. To take, prendre. To take, prend. To finish, fini. To sit, chita. To sit, chita. To leave, parti. Once more again, guys. Let me pronounce them once more again. To go, aller. To speak, parler. To drive, conduire. To fall, tomber. To do, faire. To make, faire. To take, prend. To finish, fini. To sit, chita. To leave. Zami myo, pou ki sa mwen di to sit? Paske le mwen genye I nan mi tan de konson, li prononce comme E. When we have I or goes two consonants, it's pronounced like D. Like E, sorry guys. You could say sit, not sit. Okay? If you say sit, there's a little bit different between them. Okay? It's pronounced like sit, okay? Sit, okay? Sit, okay? Okay, guys, let's continue. To sit, chita. To leave, parti, okay? Là nous ça même dit to drive parce que m'gen I qui sont voyelles et même prononcer voilà me dit drive, okay? Par exemple m'baka dit to make, okay? Because it's the end by E. It is a vowel. Okay, we could say to make, take. Okay, guys? Thanks a lot, guys, for being watching my video. If you would like to see more video, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment. It was a good pleasure for me to give you